One more question is, we already mentioned in previous panels that the amount of money, the amount of investment in treasury bills from foreign investors is already around 4 billion. And it's close to the local market, I mean active, tradable local market, or even larger than this amount. So is there any risk that most of the trades will move from local markets into the foreign markets? And are there any examples that this happens in different markets like Romania or Poland or other countries?
This is in nearly every single developing local currency bond market. This is always one of the big concerns, that the market migrates offshore and you never see it again. But in reality, obviously, we can observe what happens in other markets as they become clearstreamable or Euro-clearable, so you can settle more easily internationally. And if you look at the example of Romania, for example, although there is obviously a higher portion than before which is traded offshore, still the most significant portion of trades is done locally. The same is true, for example, in Russia, the same is true in Poland. And the reason that there's always a large local element which maintains even after Euro-clearability is essentially because the local banking sector utilizes these bonds for liquidity facilities, for example, at the central bank, and that's something which keeps the market, a good chunk of which locally.
Okay, we have, let's say, dealer of last resort. Of course, they don't want to be the dealer of last resort, but nevertheless. But who these foreign investors are? They are final off-takers, or if there are any dealers who trade the bonds and quote bid-ask spreads, and who these dealers, and what is the liquidity now on the offshore market or clearstream market? I mean, what daily trades maybe?
I mean, I think it's better to ask Clearstream that question.
Okay.
But certainly, from our perspective, the secondary market liquidity has not dramatically gone through the roof since clearstreamability. It's one part of the jigsaw puzzle, but it's only part of it. That's the simple point.
Thank you so much.